Hey, in this video, we are going to learn about the human body, the heart, and other important internal organs. So let's get started.
Human body, a complex, captivating machine. Sketches of body parts come to life on a chalkboard behind them. A pulsating heart, arteries, veins, and can you hear the curiosity buzzing in the room? The teacher asks, "Ever wondered why your heart thumps faster when you're excited or scared?" A giant animated heart appears on the chalkboard, beating faster and slower. That's your heart, a muscular organ about the size of a clenched fist, vigorously pumping blood, carrying oxygen and nutrients to each corner of your body. Imagine what would happen without it. None of your body's cells would get the sustenance they need to function. But how exactly does the heart accomplish this crucial task? The chalkboard now animates a network of blood vessels. Think of them as the highways of your body, ferrying blood to and from the heart. They come in three types: arteries, veins, and capillaries. Now, who can guess which one transports oxygen-rich blood away from the heart? A hand pops up in the room. Arteries? The student asks. Absolutely right. The teacher exclaims, arteries carry oxygen-rich blood away from the heart to the body's tissues. Veins, conversely, carry oxygen-poor blood back to the heart. And capillaries? They're the tiny bridges linking arteries and veins. Around the room, students' eyes widen as they absorb this new knowledge, thoroughly engaged in the animated lesson. Now think about this. What gives your body its shape and protects your vital organs? It's none other than the skeletal system, made up of 206 bones. These bones not only give you structure, but also produce red and white blood cells and store minerals. And what connects these bones? That would be the joints, which allow for movement. They are where two bones meet and are held together by ligaments. Now, what allows you to pick up a pencil, wave hello, or run a marathon? The muscular system. Comprising about 600 muscles, it works with the skeletal system to move your body. But how do all these systems communicate with each other? They do so through the nervous system, which includes the brain, spinal cord, and nerves. It's like the body's communication center, sending and receiving information. So to sum it all up, your heart pumps blood through a network of blood vessels, supplying oxygen and nutrients to your cells. Your skeletal system, made up of bones, gives your body structure and protects your organs. Joints connect these bones and allow for movement, while muscles work with the skeletal system to move your body. And the nervous system? It ensures all these parts communicate and work together. By understanding these basic parts of the body and their functions, we can appreciate the complexity and wonder of the human body. So the next time your heart beats faster or you move a muscle, remember the incredible systems at work. And that concludes our journey into the human body today. Always remember, every part of your body has a role to play in making you, you.